Welcome to this Anusara Yoga channel, and I'm Sarah, and today I've got a lovely 20-minute class. It's a steady, slow flow, and actually it's going to blend seamlessly into next month's offering as well, so you'll get 40 minutes practice. But without further ado, let's get going into this lovely flowing, sweet as honey practice. Come to a comfortable seat, take a deep breath in, a long breath out. Give yourself just a second here to settle and feel that flow in and out of your breath. And we'll seal into our practice with the sound of one gorgeous Om. Bring your hands to your heart center. Take a deep breath in. Om. And then without opening your eyes, let's come forward onto all fours, spread your hands, set that clear foundation, all first principle stuff. Just start to cat-cow your spine. Okay, and we're going to vinyasa slightly differently today. So as you inhale, look up, cow. As you exhale, push the mat away from you, round through your upper back into cat, and then just sway side to side like you're making a Z mark with your tailbone, and then wave it like you're waving your bottom in there all the way back to child's pose. Deep breath in. Remember child's pose. You can come in whenever you want to. All right. And then tucking your toes, lift your booty up and back, downward facing dog. Let's walk that out before we begin to flow. Okay, inhale, reach your right leg up and back behind you, and then step it through between your hands, bringing your back knee down to the mat. Inhale, just look up, come onto your fingertips, no lifting of the arms yet. Push into your toes. For a moment, untuck the toes and lunge a little deeper. Super, and then retuck the toes, spring forward, forward fold, and then bend your knees, come to chair pose. Inhale, reach the arms up if you wish. You could always have them on your hips if you want to. Sit a little deeper, keep the fluid flow of your breath sweet and full. And then inhale, up we come to standing. Exhale, hands to your heart center and offer it away. Inhale, straight on up. Exhale, sweetly fold, forward, forward, fold. Inhale, look up halfway. Again, step back with the left leg. Bring the knee down to the mat. And this time, inhale, reach the arms on up. And Anjaneyasana, as you use your exhale to come a little deeper, and at the depth of your pose, you could potentially untuck the back toes. Take another breath, keep smiling. And then exhale, peel the hands down. Step back to downward facing dog. Inhale to high plank, keep pushing the mat away for you as you slightly dome in the upper back. Now bring your knees down. Without dropping the shoulders, lift your chin, lift your toes, and exhale, bring your chest to your thumbs and your chin onto the mat. Don't drop the shoulders forward. Inhale, snake it forward to a little cobra. And then push up onto all fours. Make that cat shape with your back. And again, like we just did, sway, ooze your way back to a child's pose. And then downward facing dog. Let's do the other side. Inhale, lift your left leg up and back. Step it forward, bringing the knee down. The first set, we don't lift the arms. So inhale, look up, untuck the toes, lunge a little deeper. Okay, and then retuck the toes, step your way forward, forward fold. Inhale, sweep on up. Exhale, hands to your heart, keeping flowing. Inhale, reach. Exhale and bow. Inhale, extend your spine. Stepping the right leg back now for a full lunge. Bring the knee down. Sweeping the arms up into a full Anjaneyasana. Exhale, lunge a little deeper, potentially untucking that back toe if you want to. Make sure you're breathing and smiling. It all feels good. Exhale, peel the hands down. Step your left leg back to downward dog. And this little slightly different vinyasa. Inhale, high plank. Exhale, knees down. Bring your chest and your chin down, but don't drop the shoulders forward. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, push onto all fours, round in the upper back, then sway the left waistline to the left and then to the right. And just wiggle it, ooze it back to child's pose. Downward facing dog. Let's take 3 deep breaths here. Okay, step to the top of your mat. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, bend your knees. Inhale, come up, Utkatasana, up to standing. And exhale, hands to your heart center. Let's build on that flow, okay? Inhale, reach up. Exhale, bow forwards. And once again, step back to downward facing dog. So building on our little flow here. Inhale, lift your right leg up and back behind you. Now, open it up at the knee. Peek under your right armpit. Keeping the left arm strong. You can create some circles with that right knee. See if you can make nice big circles. And then go in the other direction with it. Super. And then straighten that right leg and bring it now forward by your right hand. Slightly to the outer edge. Bring your left knee down. Inhale. Reach on up. Exhale, lunge. And then bring your right hand to rest on your right knee. Reach your left arm back. And let's draw the foot in and give yourself a nice thigh stretch there. Isn't that lovely? Just a breath there and then release that down. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, sweep the hands down on the inside. Straighten up your back leg. And then start to reach the right hand up as you twist your spine to the right. And bring your right hand to your lower back. Keep turning your torso. Now, spread your left hand. Place it on the mat. Spin both sets of toes to the right, so you're on the edge of your feet. Exhale, lower your hips down without them actually touching, and you could reach your right arm over your head. Inhale, lift the hips and see if you can reach towards your back foot there, and then lower it down as you reach overhead. One more time, lift and extend. Super, and then exhale, peel the hands down, straighten up the legs again, bring the back knee down. Exhale to half Hanumanasana. Inhale, look up. Exhale, bow in. Inhale, look up. Exhale, bow in. Beautiful, bend into the front leg there. Once again, spin your way around. Now, start to bend your base leg. So bend it, come down, and then start to spin round. Take a seat. You're in Gomukhasana. Sorry, I've got my back to you. Inhale, look up. Exhale, bow forward into your Gomukhasana. Again, inhale, and exhale, bow. Keep turning to your right, so your left leg is going to extend. Keep the right leg crossed. Hold it at the knee. Interlink your fingers. Inhale, exhale, twist your right. Lovely variation of Ardha Matsyendrasana here. Super, and then unravel. Take your right leg. Let's try Janu. Flex the foot. Inhale, and exhale. Bow it down. Super. Inhale, come up. Now reach the arms up. We're going to come to gate pose. So sweep your right hand around behind you. You're going to rest on the right shin as you lift and reach. And then exhale, peel that down. This time, bring the knee up. Come onto the toes of this foot. Now we're going to go the other side. So reach your left arm up and back behind you, fingers face back. Lift your hips and go into side plank. Almost a wild thing, a variation of it. Keep breathing, keep looking down at your left hand, and then flip your way over. Back you come to downward facing dog. Let's do our little vinyasa. Inhale, high plank. Exhale, knees, chest, chin. Keep those shoulders drawn away. Inhale. To a cobra, you could come up a little higher now if you wish. And then exhale. Downward facing dog, moving straight into the left side. So inhale, lift your left leg up. Open it up at the hips. Oops, I nearly took my picture down. Circle at the knee there. Go in the other direction. That's sweet. Feeling into the hips. You should start to be feeling really good now. Inhale, lift that left leg up and then step your left foot towards your left hand, bringing the left knee down. Now, inhale, reach your arms up. Exhale, bring your left hand to your knee. Sweep your right hand back behind you. And we're going to give ourselves a nice little thigh stretch here. There are a few back bends and it's great to give yourself a thigh stretch. Okay, and then release that gently. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, bring your fingertips on the inside edge. Okay, straighten up the back leg. And then lift and start to reach through your left arm. Stretch it up. Try and keep this left hip level with your left knee. Super duper. And then spread your right hand more. Take it a little bit further away. Spin onto the edges of your feet. Your toes turn to the left. And then lift your hips or lower your hips as you reach the arm overhead. Lift the hips as you reach your left arm towards your back foot. And then reverse that a couple of times. Flow with it. Okay, super. And then sweep the hands down, reorientate the feet. Bring your right knee down, coming to half Hanuman. Flex the toes. Couple of breaths here. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Gorgeous, everyone. Lovely. Lunging back into that front leg. Coming to the twist again. Twist it around. Twist, twist, twist. Coming onto the edges of your feet. Now, lower the back leg down. Allow it to bend and turn to your left. And again, we come to Gomukhasana. Slightly different orientation on your mat. Inhale and exhale, bow. Ooh, doesn't it feel good in the hips? Inhale. Exhale, bow. Lovely. Inhale, come up to a seat. Then turn to the back of your mat. Your right leg will extend. Keep your left leg hooked. Give that left leg a hug. Inhale. Exhale, twist your way around. A variation of Ardha Matsyendrasana there. Okay, and then unravel. Take your left leg inside, bring it down. Inhale. To a forward fold, Janusasana. Couple of breaths here. Inhale, come on up, well done. We're going to go into gate pose in this left side, left hand behind you. Rest into the left shin. Reach on up and over. Gorgeous. And then peel your way down. Fantabulous. Come onto the toes of the left foot. Reach your right hand behind you. Inhale, lift up into this sort of side plank stroke wild thing variation. Someone called it a dancer's side plank, quite like that. Okay, and then peel your hands down, coming back to downward facing dog. Readjust yourself. And a vinyasa. Inhale, knees, chest, chin, no shoulders. Inhale, cobra or up dog now. Exhale onto all fours, puff through your upper back and then sway right and left, right and left, right and left, down into child's pose. Inhale, come back up to a seat, loop your shoulders back, take your ears back and take a deep breath in. And if you would like to continue, click the next video and we'll be moving on to a more seated, twisty, juicing out, beautiful, another 15 minutes. Otherwise, this is the end of your practice. Namaste.